Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Josh Krafchick, the unconventional money guy, here to talk to you about non-fungible tokens. I've been hearing a lot of people such as Gary Vaynerchuk talk about non-fungible tokens, and I've been diving deeper to see what's been happening with all of them. So basically, if you don't know, a non-fungible token is essentially like a cryptocurrency or a Bitcoin for like digital artwork. So basically, you can buy your favorite video clip and you own the rights to it. So recently, the founder of Twitter, I think his name's Jack Dorsey, put his first tweet up for auction, and it's projected to go for over $2 million, and he's going to donate the money back to charity. So with these non-fungible tokens, you can basically own a piece of the digital world and have it on your phone, and you own it. It's yours. Where the real value comes into play is the blockchain technology, so that